The Biafras don't call outside the Fulani herdsmen, say make they stop dey chop the things wey dey for inside their farm. No be small thing o. They say for spiritual realm, e be like say Tinubu fit kpai anytime. Na this Ghana prophet o come outside come talk. They say that aunty don finally rub green for im hand until im hand don turn to plantain hand. This dey happen o. Wahala. My people, we go find out how these things take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Oya, make you share this video. Share them so that other people gonna get the information and they know wetin dey happen. Thank you so much. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. They say na so Fulani carry their cow o, dey waka for everywhere for inside southeast. No be say na big bush o, where people put cassava, where people put different type of crop wey dey grow, wey they go eat. Upon say people dey say food no dey for the country, now these people carry their cow, they go dey chop the one wey people keep for inside southeast wey they go eat. This one dey happen. I will play you the video, make you watch. But before we jump inside that video, please share this video. Watch the video.
Yeah, wow, another set. Yeah, on the natural area. I don't tell you, when I carry this thing past the other side, they go back from where na from they come. Yeah, outside they na ko gona nda glass ogoni le pete. Yeah, another set na nda shi na ebe niile na ma niile shi ebe niile akọrọ ogona azụọla ha na ụmụ nwanyị niile nọ dị na-eti mkpu. Azụọla ihe niile down. So ihe ahụ ga na village na ụmụtakwu ozi dump. Ụmụtakwu ozi dump. Ị ga-ahụkwa the other side. Akakwa ha nke the other side. Ụmụtakwu ozi dump na ma. Because no, ndị dị mmanụ ga-ama ihe ọ ga-ekwu, ndị nọ close to the highest authority, because I had this going safe no ụmụtakwu na. With ihe ndị ahụ ga n'ime obodo anyị today, we are no longer safe. Because no mara ihe ọ ga-eme. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Because all watch and here ụmụtakwu. Ndị nama akazi nkọ obodo anyị ozi obodo nama. Ndị nama akazi nkọ mana dam everywhere, ma ebe ụmụ nwaanyị kọrọ ọgụ. Ndị nama na everywhere. All the whole corner. So anyị na-atara ka anyị gwa ndị ahụ si n'obodo anyị pụọ. But ha na-afọmụzie to another thing. Ịma ihe ndị Fulani herdsmen. Ọ na-watch ha. Ọcha namali ihe. Afa you wey dey control nama, you no dey hear me again. You know they hear again now. Now you dey find trouble o. Now you dey find trouble. Now they tell on na they go now. Now they find trouble o. Make all they go now. Now they find trouble o. Say now so want to enter person farm. I don't know who director now come this our side where we plant everything now. Now why you begin call they destroy them? I think I say may you no cross this side just now. You dey go. I say may you dey run. May you come out now. Because I know why they talk am o. May problem no go there now. May problem no go there. Man, I carry this cow come up for here. Man, I no go get problem for this community now. Yeah, ụmụtakwu now. E watch ya ndị Fulani abatala na ụmụtakwu. Na makazi nke everywhere. Yeah, all set. Now watch here with the other side of the river. Here we be ndị mmadụ na-egwu mmiri, onye ọbụla kwụziri attention na-elezi nama. Ano watch ya na onye ọbụla kwụziri attention na-ele nama. So anyị amazi mma anyị na nama chiri igwu mmiri. Onye na-report to this thing with the youth president. Ụmụtakwu Development Union. Biko ndị dị anyị, biko ndị mpam. Biko mara na ihe ọnụ ga-eme gbasara this thing. Ka ọ ghara ịkarị like this because anyị niile na ofu anya ka anyị jiziri ihe ụra. Because on watch quite the other side. And now ọkwa na majuchi na ebe the other side. Because
welcome back, my wonderful people. Shey don't see how these people dey mean. Upon say they don't talk o, say their people no go carry food come inside east and all this side again. Now people now small one where they go put for inside farm. Now they see they carry their cow go dey chop. Mona see wetin dey go on for inside this Nigeria. I think say the law don talk say make they no dey carry cow dey waka. Why these people dey see carry cow dey waka? The worst part of it, you say these people, this fowl wey dey carry, they get anything follow body for inside that place, and people go there for their farm, go dey vanish. My people, no be small thing, you know. Share this video. As we dey talk that one, they say that Tinubu, as they see am for inside spiritual realm, e be like say this woman wey go use im plantain hand cook, e be like say don cook for Tinubu. Say very soon e be like say im go kpai. According to this Ghana prophet, he said that as im dey see am for spiritual realm, he no get him fit kpai anytime. Say as e be like this now, that na only Igbo people fit change the country, but they refuse to give them the opportunity to do something. Let's watch this video before we come back and continue.
Hey, one God. Hey, this one. Nigerian people, they ask me. Then they ask me, say, Tinubu, if he develop Nigeria. This one, I don't want anybody to hear. That is why they say that. They say,
people, they ask you.
Yes. Can Tinubu develop the country? When they look at the man smooth finish.
Buddha,
go ask you.
Tinubu is sick in the spiritual world. Tinubu is sick in the spiritual world. Buddha, you see Africa, Africa is big. Africa has so many countries in Africa. But we get one tribe in Africa. Only that tribe can develop the whole Africa, or only that tribe can develop Nigeria.
Which one?
Tinubu cannot develop Nigeria. Tinubu is just wasting Nigeria time.
Don't get that.
Oh, and to tell you the truth, Tinubu is wasting Nigeria time. See, the people who can develop Africa, the people who can develop Nigeria, those people, they are there. You see time, those people, they are faster than time. Those people, those tribes, they are faster than time in this world. If any of that people or any of that tribe person become the president in Nigeria, within 24 years time, Nigeria will change more than South Africa.
I see. So they have heard.
You know, go ask who be that tribe, who be that people.
And they ask you.
Good. The Igbos, the whole Africa.
The Igbos.
Only Igbo can develop Nigeria. Only Igbo presidents.
Why?
And I saw it there.
If the person be Igbo.
If the person be Igbo, he go fit develop Nigeria. Igbo people, they are blessed in the spiritual world. They are the fastest people on land in Africa. They are Igbos, the Igbo people. See, if you marry Igbo woman, you no go be poor. Because Igbo woman get sense. If you marry Igbo man, you no go be poor. Igbo man get sense. I say they are faster than time. These people, Igbos, they are faster than time in this world. So if any of the Igbo get chance to become a president in Nigeria, they can change Nigeria. One time. They will change Nigeria. Because the Igbos, when you go into details about them, where they from, when they enter this world, or they can't reach, or they enter Nigeria, Buddha, when Kama tell me about these people, they are rich already. Igbo people are billionaires already. They are well educated, they are beautiful, they are handsome. Everything Igbo man go do na money. When it comes to business, na Igbo. So Buddha, those are the only blacks that can develop Nigeria, for Nigeria to have peace. So if Nigeria won't be developer, they should vote for an Igbo man, so that Igbo man will move Nigeria to the next level, because they are faster than time in this world. Any question?
Welcome back, my people. Shebuna don't hear am. So for most of una wey believe in let us keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going. We still dey go with the look una and the Jagaban and the Tulumbu, because na so una talk say Jagaban go change the country o, Jagaban go do something o, Emilioko. Nah, Emilioko don dey Emilioko everybody. Very soon, see this hunger, e go master everybody. You know, as Nigeria something dey be, e go master everybody. Everybody go dey used to it, because where the hole na this state, the hole na very well. Any pattern where they carry come, everybody go follow up for it. However, let's jump into the next matter wey we get for our hand today. They say one auntie don go meet those people where they sell cream for road. He say one yellow, na so the auntie come carry better cream give am. He carry the cream reach house. The following day, come turn to plantain. My people, abeg share this video, you get why.